Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Peacock, and in this video guys I'm going to share with you how actually I got the Premium Plus for free guys by using a promo code. As you can see, I'm here on my account and I'm going to show you how you actually can activate the promo code. So I'm going to show you when I activated mine. So basically you choose the plan and then you press here where is the promo code, and as you can see over here guys, you can have the space and you just need to put the code. And as you can see over here, mine got activated successfully and it gave me 12-month subscription guys. So now I'm going to show you how you actually can do this as well. So you just need to follow this video until the end guys. I'm going to share all the steps I did for myself so you can be able to do it also you on your own, okay? So guys, the first thing you need to do is to grab your phone in your hand. It doesn't matter what kind of phone it is. It can be iOS, it can be Android. The steps actually are going to be the same. The next step to do is to go to your internet browser and search about this site called lulucoupons.com. So once you're going to enter in, you have a lot of other things which you can check later if you're interested for something else. I'm just going to use the searching bar to find it faster. Okay, here we are. Press on it and now press show coupon code. And now you just need to wait a couple of seconds guys for the circle to get complete until the end. Once it's going to be done, it's going to take you to the next page and it's going to show you the code is actually locked. So you need to press the button below, get the full code, and then the next step is going to require you to complete a little task in order to unlock the code for free. It's very simple to do it guys. You just need to read the instructions. It says here, download the complete 2 apps below to unlock Peacock Premium Plus for free. You have a no, do not use VPN or proxy. So if you're using any VPN or proxy, you need to turn it off before guys, so the whole process doesn't fail or interrupt during the process. So down below guys, you're going to find this list of the apps, which you need to choose 2 apps from the list to complete it as a task. All the apps are for free guys. As you can see, you don't have to pay anything, and all the apps are coming from offshore stores, from App Store or Play Store, depends on the phone that you are using. So all you have to do guys is to read the instructions and try to find which app is the easiest one so you don't lose too much time on them. Once you're going to choose which one you want to do it, you just need to press on it and then it shows again the instruction what you need to do and press unlock now. It's going to take you to App Store if you're using an iPhone or Play Store if you're using an Android device. So once you're going to get connected with your official store, the first thing to do is to download the app, and then after you download the app you need to complete the steps, the task required as per description. So when you finish with the first one, you go back to the second app, and then you're going to be able to unlock the code, and I'm going to show you how you actually can do that. I will just need to complete the apps real quick and then I'll come back to you to show how to unlock the code. So here we are guys, I just completed both of the apps. I did these 2 over here, and now how to unlock the code, you have to go back one more time to the site. So you come back one more time over here, and then down below you're going to find this button to take you back. For iPhones here, for Android you should have it here. If you're using Android, you press it, and then as you can see guys, the code get unlocked. If you try to get back immediately without completing any task, the code it will show locked again. Or if you didn't complete the task correctly as per description, the code it will show locked again. So you need to pay a little bit of attention to the description guys so you don't make any mistake. So guys, this code is unused one. It's going to be a gift from our first viewer. For the rest of you, you just need to complete the steps that I showed you. You're going to be able to do it as well. So this is it guys in short words. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help with everything you need. See you in the next videos. Cheers.